While traveling on roadside, we always see some beautiful and attractive advertisement, right? And these are known as hoardings. And do you know there are holes made in hanging banners or hoardings, right? So why do we do that? Let's find it out. So as all we know, air exerts pressure, okay? And when wind blowing in high speed may break or displace many things, okay? कि जो भी सामने आएगा wind के वो क्या है साथ में चला जाएगा या फिर फट जाएगा. But if holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings, then air can pass through these holes. तो जैसी air आएगी इन hoarding से through जो holes हैं उसमें उसके through pass हो जाएगी, which reduces the air pressure exerted on the banners and hoardings. तो इससे मेरा क्या है hoardings और banners पे जो pressure है वो कम हो जाएगा जिससे मेरे जो hoardings और banners हैं बच जाएंगे. This is why holes are made in the hanging banners and hoardings.